Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a boy Maggie, and of course it's a very sad moment for me, right? Not being able to hear from some of my family members after this hurricane has passed. Until now, it has been a few hours since Melissa has passed and devastated the area that I am living in. But thanks be to God, I am here, right? Yeah, man. Trust me, people. So I am in a small community of Little London. We're probably about 40 houses or so. Only one left. Trust me. All of them were blown down by the hurricane, except one house. And we are going to try to see if we can interview that person that owned that same house that I am referring to, right? But every other house, it's ugly, rough. Trust me. All right, so come with me. Let me show you some of what is happening. All right? Yeah, man. Trust me. Yes. So what is the name, sir?
Danny Belvit.
And this was your home.
Yes.
And this is what left of your home, right?
Yes.
Oh my God, this was a very devastating one. Hurricane Melissa is very, very devastating.
Sure about that one.
This is one for the history books. This is more devastating than Hurricane Gilbert, which
yes.
was a Category 3 hurricane. Look at it, people. Everything. So Mr. Danny does not want to show his face on camera, people, but he's right here.
Yeah.
So if anyone wish to help and want to help, you can reach out to Maggie Films and we'll get to Mr. Danny for you guys. So we'll just show you a bit of what's happening on the back page.
Everything shell down, my boy. See, as far as we go there, see the piece I also viewed up this up.
My God. Everything is that. Mr. Belvit. Mr. Belvit Black. Everything.
Hello world, my name is Michaela Anderson and this is my mother Tina Sterling. We have nowhere to stay, our house blow down and we not nobody to help us. It's our only place you can sleep and everything. It's our thing we have now. We not no clothes to put on, everything wet, everything wet, we not no food, nothing at all. Mother sick, mother just come out of hospital Friday and we not nothing at all. It's our own place to sleep and nothing at all to eat or drink or bathe or nothing at all. It's our own place. So we are begging some help or assistance from anyone or any somebody see anything or say anything on the media, can please I'm asking and begging look help, and anyone, Andrews or anybody, I begging look help please and thank you. And if you want to get us, 498-7311.
So we are here within the same community, which has around 40 houses. And we are here with Mr.
Mason.
Mr. Mason. So how do you feel that your house were devastated by Hurricane Melissa?
Alright, I'm traumatized now. I don't really even know what to do.
I can understand. So what would you like to say to the world, being that you're in this situation?
I could have get some help, I could have rebuild, I could have start over. I would appreciate it.
Right. So you want to go ahead and leave a number?
Yeah, 876 415 6021.
Alright. So there you have it, world. If you would like to assist this young man to regain a house, then that's the contact. After all, once again, people, we are at the home of Mr. Clive Russell, and he just showed us a few of the compartments of the house. He wish not to show his face, and we can understand that in a time like this. All right, so Mr. Clive, go ahead and tell the world what you have to tell him. Whatever you have to ask, you can go ahead.
Well, everything is all good, you know. Everything is alright. So I try before I get a little help, said we, you know. But I say, you know.
Right.
Yeah, man.
So do you have a contact number?
Yeah. 388-1321.
All right.
Yeah.
Mrs. Kenisha Barton, who she's not to show her face on camera. So, Mrs. Barton, go ahead and tell us what you're facing.
Well, me traumatized, you know, tell you the truth, you know, cause everything wet up, roof gone, and my son roof, me have to take up some of his zinc off, what mash up as you can see them full of hole, cause me have nowhere else to stay, so me just have to deal with this, you know, for going out. If I could have get little help, I really appreciate it.
Mrs. Barton, do you have a contact number?
Yes, 820-2038.
And what's the area code?
1876.
All right, thank you, Mrs. Barton. Alright, once again, people, we are here at Mr.
Anderson.
Mr. Anderson. Alright, and I am here within the same community that has about 40 houses here in Little London. And trust me, people, I know nothing good. I know nothing good, people. These people are worried. My heart goes out to them. And this is a resident, right?
Yeah, my resident.
Please leave a contact, Mr. Anderson.
All right, the contact is 876 858 82 42.
All right, go again.
858 82 42.
Very well. Very well. All right. So, people, there you have it. If you can assist, please reach out to Mr. Anderson. Thank you. So this is a pillow. This is a pillow of someone. Don't know who it is, but trust me. Just seeing the pillow alone here saddens my heart.
Special good morning, everyone. We're just being devastated by the storm. My name is LeSean Mackenzie, otherwise known as Chinaman or Ochada. But in the meanwhile, though, I would like to show you a money structure that was destroyed by the hurricane, which is called Melissa. I can show you my home right here. It was destroyed by Melissa. Only appearance come off. My house was only 8 sheets of zinc. 8 sheets of zinc. I repeat myself. And also there was many more people who was destroyed by the hurricane. We also have here my neighbor Vashana can show you our home was devastated by the lovely hurricane that they call Melissa. But otherwise, I'm not here to talk about that though, Jamaica. I'm seeking help for this community, also for myself. I would like anyone in Jamaica to shove out and give us strength. Also the government that we voted for 100% to give us strength in these times that we are devastated by the hurricane. And my name is LeSean Mackenzie. Once more, I will leave my phone number with you guys. My telephone number, you already know the error code. My telephone number is 357-5601. I repeat myself once more, 357-5601. Thank you.
Alright, people, so we are on our way now to Mr. Bob. Not sure if that's his correct name, but I heard that his house is the only one that hasn't got damaged by Hurricane Melissa. So we are on way there. All these are zincs from houses that were devastated. Alright people, so this is the man. This is the man right here. They call him Bob. What's the name? What's the correct name though?
Peter Williams.
Mr. Peter Williams. So, as you can see around, all the houses were devastated, except Mr. Bob. Only probably one or two zinc.
One sheet.
One sheet of zinc. My God, that is a blessing.
Yeah.
All right, so Mr. Bob, tell us how you build your house. Just give us a brief synopsis of how you build your house.
Normally, we come around here and just capture a spot
Right.
and start build up concrete foundation and just extending a board.
Yes.
But a pure hardwood me use for my building.
Okay, so that is
Straight
the difference.
hardwood.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't use American pan it.
Oh.
Hardwood structure, right.
Right, true. So people maybe need to consider building a house with some hardwood.
Yeah.
When it's a hardwood, what do you mean? What type of wood is that?
Not American. Nature wood from the hills.
Okay, like from the hills.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Like some bullet tree and some
Okay.
mount guava and some rock sweet wood and yeah.
So those are the wood that they used to build the structure.
Pepper bullet and yeah, black
Okay.
bullet, Neesbury bullet, yeah.
Yes, people.
I think yeah.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, this a man I done, this a man I saved the whole family last night, man. If I never for this a man last night, we whole of we blow away. Me I tell you, whole of we run for this a man to rescue. Me I tell
Thank you to Mr.
Big up yourself, one Bob, you know.
One Bob.
Every time.
Yes, people. Of course, this is Bob the Builder, and
Yes, man.
he has the name for a reason. And I have to come and locate Mr. Bob,
Yeah.
because the entire community is lauding this man is talking about this man at the moment here in Westmoreland. We call him Mr. Bob the Builder. His house alone stands, right? Only a sheet of zinc
Yeah,
that was
One
missing
number
from
sheet
this
of
house. One sheet of zinc. So you want to continue and tell us anything about the structure of the house, because I'm very curious to know,
Well,
in depth of how you structure this
see,
house.
normally, me build my house with whole heap of love.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and at that carry thing,
Right.
Because anything we I do, and you do it with enough love, it can't last.
Can't last.
No. So at that me put in most in my thing,
You hear that, people?
Enough love.
And this
In
man
everything.
this man is a true supporter of Maggie Films, people. I want you
Yes,
guys
man.
to know him. This man always support Maggie Films, always been watching the movies.
Yes, man.
So Bob the Builder, I am so happy to come right at the house
this
to
is
interview
my
you.
time to get into the show.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Of course, it's a very sad moment.
Long time.
Of course, it's a very sad moment.
Yeah.
But we can't allow ourselves to go down, you know.
Oh, what we
So-
can't mind, we left it to God.
To God.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So, Mr. Bob, big up yourself.
Every time.
Every time.
Respect our manners.
Respect our manners.
Yeah.
Right, people, so we are here with Mr. Rajuk Daly, and this is the aftermath after the most devastating hurricane that has ever passed through our island, Jamaica, land we love. Alright, so Mr. Daly, what do you have to say as a result of this dangerous hurricane?
Okay, my name is Rajuk Daly. I'm actually the shelter manager for L.A. Washington Elementary School. And as you can see, for the years that has passed, we have used it as a shelter. But this year, trust me, it's no longer a shelter. For everything is gone. The total roof is off, and some of the stuff inside is damaged. We had people here last night, and they still stayed because they had nowhere else to go. And then some of them went over into the church next door, which Highway Assembly of God Church. We host some people there last night for the shelter. But it's really, really bad. And as you can see, we need some help right now, because the water is coming down from McNeil, where all the persons from McNeil usually come to the shelter whenever the water gets high. And it is now rising. So because of that, I can expect a lot of them tonight. But without the roof, then I'm having a problem. And the nearest shelter to here is all the way down in Little London. So we need some help. But persons stayed last night because it's still safer than their house.
My God.
So we need some help.
So what amount of people stayed here last night?
Last night we had about 7 persons here last night.
And those same persons are still here?
With some left to their house to those, so they can secure some stuff.
To
and
return.
they're coming back. Because it's still, without the roof, the ground is still higher than where they are living. So they are expected to come back tonight.
Right. I understand that here in Westmoreland is one of the places in Jamaica that, you know, it is very, very sad that we have mostly board structures, houses. And as a result, we are being affected highly.
Yes.
So what do you have to say about that?
Well, to be honest with you, it is so true. A lot of board structures are here, and as you can see later on the TV, most of these board structures lost their roof. Some of the windows blow out, but almost everybody lost their roof because of the board structure. So that we're going to work on that too, and I'm hoping to get some help from the authorities to help to develop the area better, you know, so we can have a stronger structure for the future.
For the future.
All right. Okay, as you can see, this is bookcase that we have here, and all these books, everything get damaged. All the writing stuff, everything here, all the desks, all the chairs, everything get damaged. Moving to another classroom. In another classroom, as you can see, everything here. We had actually a day bed just for kids if they feel sick or anything like that. But all the materials are damaged. Everything is damaged. We need urgent help and assistance from the authority as early as possible, because no school can be held here anytime soon. As you can see, what is happening here is all water. The roof totally damaged. The sick bay area here is also underwater, as you can see. And all the books and the toys and everything that we had packed up in this area for school, we take them out of the shelter area. Everything is now damaged. So we need some urgent assistance, please, for school to reopen anytime soon. All the books, them here, on the water, everything is damaged. All the reading materials are damaged. So we have nothing here at the school right now. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing at the school.
What is the name of the school?
L.A. Washington Basic School. It's next door to Highway Assembly of God. Actually, the church is in charge of the school. So we had to use the church last night as shelter. And persons will be coming back this evening again, I can assure you.
And this
for
is Bay
Tuesday
Road,
church.
right?
This is Bay Road, Little London, Westmoreland.
Okay.
All right. And my number is 876-784-1946. And I'm Rajuk Daly. If you can get in touch with me at the earliest possible time, I can pass the information on to the school. All right. And Pastor Clover Robinson is our pastor. And she's a pastor for the church next door. All right. Thanks so much for helping us. Thanks in advance.
Good day, everyone. I hope give God thanks that we are alive. This is Smart Start Daycare in Little London. So many children I have here every day, so parents can go to work. Now, Melissa has done a terrible job on us. It is destroyed, and no, they don't have anywhere to go. They want to go to work, nowhere to leave their children. If there's anyone out there who would like to help us put something together, see, it is all destroyed, but something can be done, so that parents can, go back to work because they have somewhere safe to leave their children. It would be greatly appreciated. My number is 407-7769. So that's number for Smart Start Daycare in Little London. God bless you.